I am JVS Rao. I am 76 years old. I have come from Hyderabad. I had this problem of aortic valve stenosis for quite some time, but the doctors have advised me about 3-4 months back. Now I should consult a cardiologist and proceed as per his advice. So I was initially thinking of going for a surgery. Then it was painful and recovery time was quite high. So some people told now this procedure of TAVI has come. So many people are undergoing this procedure. So I started searching in Google and I found this hospital, quite a few hospitals, but finally I zeroed in on Eternal Hospital, and I came in September to verify, see for myself about the hospital and its facilities, and also meet the doctor. And the first impression was the best impression. I had a very good, pleasant talk with Dr. Prem Ratan Degawat sir, and he gave a lot of time to me to explain and asked me any other doubts you have got, you can clarify with me. And I was so pleased and I got convinced. I think this is the place I should get it done. And then I went back. I was in touch with Dr. Sir, and then he told me, you just come, you will be going perfectly all right. And accordingly I came, and I came on Tuesday, and Wednesday the TAVI procedure was done by Dr. Prem Ratan Degawat sir. And afterwards also, he has spent so much of time with me, which normally I don't expect any doctor would spend. And he clarified, not only clarified, आश्वासन इतना दिया है मुझे कि भाई you are perfectly all right, don't need to worry anything. If you have got anything, just leave a message. I will be there replying to you. In the same day, you will get the reply. And I am fully assured by Dr. Prem Ratan sir. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Sir. Thank you.
We are very happy that Mr. Rao came from the Hyderabad all the way from south to north, finding us. So it's a proud to us, and we are Eternal Hospital and myself are very happy that we have fully satisfied him about the TAVI treatment, because he has covered the long distance for these procedures. And good thing is that within 2 days he is going back to the Hyderabad with the TAVI treatment. So we are very happy, and I also thank Mr. Rao that they have given me and my hospital a good opportunity.